Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter number 1, and today we will complete this chapter. Did you have a kingdom? So the boy is asking the beggar that you were having kingdom anytime. Something like that. Follow your own dream, boy, but you don't take other people's dream. So the beggar is saying that yes, I was having a type of kingdom, but I will suggest you that follow your own dream. Don't take any other's dream. Don't stand in anyone's way. किसी के रास्ते में मत आओ. Don't take from another man his room or his faith or his song. So do not take फ्रॉम एनी पर्सन हिज रूम. किसी से उसका रूम मत लो, उसका ट्रस्ट मत लो और उसका सॉन्ग मत लो. एंड ही टर्न्ड, और वो मुड़ा. एंड शफल्ड अवे. शफल्ड मीन्स ही वॉकड क्वाइटली इंटोनिंग द फॉलोइंग वर्स. तो उसने कोई लाइन्स बोली. इंटोनिंग मीन्स रिसाइटिंग मीन्स स्पीकिंग. तो उसने कुछ लाइन्स बोली विच आई हैव नेवर हर्ड एल्सवेयर. द बॉय सेइंग दैट कि मैंने ये लाइन्स कभी नहीं सुनी थी. सो इट मस्ट हैव बीन हिज ऑन. तो ये लाइनें उसकी खुद की थी. उसने बोला ना कि किसी का सॉन्ग नहीं लेना चाहिए, तो उसने खुद से लाइन्स बोली हैं. लिव लॉन्ग माई फ्रेंड, बी वाइज एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो द beggar is saying that कि live long means may you live long my friend, and always be wise, be intelligent and be strong, but do not take from any man his song. So by this line he means to say that always fulfill your dream. Don't take anything from anyone else. I remained on the lychee tree. Here the speaker, the boy is saying that I was that time also on the lychee tree, pondering his wisdom. He was admiring that beggar's wisdom, beggar's intelligence, and wondering how a man so wise could be so poor. Actually, the boy is surprised at this thing, that how can an intelligent man be poor? Perhaps he became wise afterwards. So the boy is saying that maybe कि वो बाद में intelligent बना हो. Anyway, he was free and I was free, and I went back to the house and demanded a room of my own. Freedom. Sorry, a room of my own. So उसके बाद वो लड़का घर गया और उसने फोर्सफुली डिमांड किया कि मुझे अपना रूम चाहिए. Freedom, I was beginning to realize, is something you have to insist upon. So the boy has understood now the meaning of freedom. He says that freedom is what we have to insist. It means we have to demand it forcefully. No one will come here to give us freedom. It depends on us how we take it. So students, this was our chapter. I have tried my best to make you understand, but now it depends on you how you are taking this. So if you are having any doubt regarding the reading of the chapter, then you can leave your comment in comment section box, and I'll try to solve the problem and I'll try to give the answer. Okay, but I hope you all have understood. So it's done. Thank you. Have a nice day.